toilet, and we're just going to take all the stuff and move to a different location, so he doesn't know where we are once we get done. Let's go. Let's see if we can find us.
Hashtag clowns.
So where were we?
I don't know what happened.
But why couldn't you find us?
Because you moved, didn't it?
Please have your passports and boarding passes ready for inspection. And be reminded, this is only one.
Did you catch a donkey now to the hotel? So we're just going to the hotel now. We've landed in Seville in Spain. We've got a talk with Abdurraheem Green today. He's actually in Portugal, so he'll be driving down and meeting us there, inshallah. There's a few non-Muslims attending the talk as well, so it'll be interesting, inshallah.
Thank you so much.
I suppose you have a reservation?
How's the drive? How's the drive?
The drive is from Portugal, very nice. So
Just too close.
2.5 hours. We're in Seville, and we're here to give a talk, alhamdulillah, amazingly in English. My Spanish is not that good. I can just say, adios amigos, hola, vamos a la playa, vamos a la playa. Yeah?
What does that mean?
Let's go to the beach. Vamos a la playa, oh oh, there was a song back in the days. So the first thing we have to establish is that as Muslims, we believe that God, the Creator, has given everybody fitra. Fitra is a natural understanding or a natural inclination to know that there is a God.
Por lo que islámicamente lo primero que nosotros sabemos es que que Dios nos ha creado con una fitra.
And I use this as an example. The real proof of God is from the experience of worshipping God and having a connection or a relationship with God.
It's good to hear once in a while all the evidence that we have about the existence of God, and I found it amazing actually that we can have it from a first-hand speaker like Abdurraheem. Yeah, I've been invited some of my friends that are not even Muslim to hear him and well, to get some knowledge about this, because well, probably some of them say they don't have proof of God, and I have been talking about this, but it's not the same. I wanted them to hear them from someone who has been learning and teaching about this so much.
So all this thing that you see in the masjid was done by hand, by our own musallis.
So we're here in the center of Seville, near the cathedral, and yeah, we're just looking at some of the ancient and more recent architectural remains. The masjid, the old mosque. I don't know if it is the original or if it's renewed or something, but this was the original entrance to the mosque. It's a cathedral now. Transmitiendo el mensaje, which means transmit the message. And we're going to go off and give some dawah on the streets, and the brothers are very nervous because I don't think they've done this before, and they're saying, well, what do you do, how do you cope with the nerves? And I don't know, because I don't really get nervous doing street dawah. So breathe in, breathe out. I said make dua and make lots of dhikr. That's what you do. Gracias.
Mama,
Buen dia.
She was asking actually what are you doing here. So I told her that we're just sharing with people what is Islam about. She really liked it, and she was saying also that she probably will come to visit us in the mosque.
Just to give you an example, brothers and sisters, this is the sort of thing that iERA are doing, and we're going to be doing this across Europe, inshallah, across the world. Share this video and support our work.